If you're tired of paying these ridiculous extra baggage fees on a budget airline, or if you're just looking for the perfect weekend away bag that actually fits everything you need, this video is for you. Welcome back to Wandering Valleys. So today we are unboxing a highly rated expandable travel rucksack. I just picked up from Amazon, so you'll be able to find the Amazon affiliate link in the description for this lovely bag. I've been hunting for the ultimate one bag travel solution, kind of on a budget, if you like, that can actually bypass the bag check desk but still pack like a suitcase. So let's get it out of the packaging, see how the quality feels, first impression wise. So let's just do this. The first impression of the material, it feels incredibly durable, it's water resistant, Oxford nylon blend, which is an absolute must if you're caught in a sudden downpour, running for a train or a flight. If you live in the UK, it probably would have happened to you. So we're just going to look at the exterior to begin with. I'm just going to walk you through it because it's got so many pockets. The zip is really good quality, and also it has compression straps on the side, which is an absolute bonus because obviously when you're getting on a plane they may say it's a bit too bulky, so you can just pull these down from both sides to make the bag a lot less bulkier. So the bag itself, as I said, it's got loads of zips. So this is the first external compartment, which is quite a nice size. As you can see, I can put my hand in there quite nicely. You can just tuck stuff in there. Let's say you've got a jumper that is too hot, so you just kind of take it off, or you can put a scarf in there, any bits and pieces. Again, the zip quality is really good, but the reason I got this bag because of the clamshell opening, because it does feel more like a suitcase. You can see, you can just like flip it open, and also there is a hard bit that kind of makes the bottom of the bag kind of rigid, which makes it more like a suitcase. And I'll be using this bag with packing cubes, so I'll be able to just line them nicely. And the depth of the bag, the main compartment, you can see it comparing it to my hand, it's quite a nice depth, so you'll be able to pack quite a bit in here. So the bag is a 40-liter one, so it's very generous. We are going away for about a week. I'll be able to wash when we are hungry, but I don't want to like pack too much stuff, and this is just gonna be the perfect bag. So we're just gonna look at the side. It's got two side pockets, which is absolutely brilliant because I'll be just able to tuck an umbrella in one pocket, and I'll be just keeping the water bottle in there, which is really good. Again, you will be able to see the compression straps, really well made. You can just kind of tuck it all in there or loosen it up. Again, I'm just going to show you, I'm so pleased with these side pockets. So there is another zip underneath this kind of that will take you to the back of the bag where the laptop sleeve is, and also I'm going to show you, because not only the laptop sleeve, but there is actually a bonus kind of compartment attached to or next to the laptop sleeve, so you can just kind of unvelcro this bed, pull it out, and then that kind of gives you one outside pocket. So if you just pull down the velcro, it kind of protects it, keeps it sealed, just like so. And then you will also be able to put a laptop in there. It's quite a generous size, so you probably would be able to fit about a 15 inches laptop in there. And the other side of the bag has the mesh compartment. I'm trying to do it with one hand here. Yeah, mesh compartment. And also if you kind of unzip this part, I'm going to be knocking over the tripod in a minute. So I'm just going to be unzipping this, and it takes you kind of through to the other compartment, to the main compartment, as you can see. So it's kind of all interconnected, if you like, but it's a really versatile bag. You can just use it when you like, if you commute a lot, but for a few nights away, perfect size. So this is the back of the bag. It has a sternum strap. It doesn't have a hip strap, but the strap quality is really good. It's very nice and thick, and also good padding on the back as well, both sides. And there is a little bit of padding around the hip area as well. And what I also like, that there is this strap that you can just literally hook this bag over your suitcase. You pull out the handle for your suitcase, you can just hook this bag right there. I should have really closed this bag when I was looking for the extra bonus little compartment, which is just on the top of the bag. Again, you can just put a couple of packets of tissues in there, hand sanitizer, wipes, or whatever you want to put in there. I will definitely let you know how I got on with this bag. In the meantime, don't forget to check out our Osprey backpack, because that's going to be our hand luggage. First impression is great. It's a definite thumbs up. See you in the next one, everybody. Take care. Goodbye for now.